This is our full page red recipe binder. It's got a leatherette construction, and we've personalized it using our engraving technology to put somebody's name on it, in other words, recipe collection underneath. It also includes a nice little decal on the front, and you'll see on the spine it's got these nice ridges that kind of harken back to old leather-bound volumes. The touch of class to this binder, and you'll see it's got a conversion charts and measurements and techniques. It includes some 5x7 recipe cards. These are the larger ones, so if you want to buy replacement cards for this, you might want to go with more 5x7 cards. And it includes some sheet protectors, not a ton, so if you want to make your own family cookbook, you might want to pick up some more if it's very long. We offer those. You'll see it also has some dividers, all black. And then on the back of the dividers, you see it's gray. And then it includes this yellow envelope, which is great for storing odds and ends, so recipes you haven't got around to organizing yet. You see a little substitutions list in case you run out of things. And then the back cover. It's a beautiful binder. It's one of our favorites, and I think you'll love it.